Hello everyone. Today I am sharing a train journey video from Mississauga to Toronto. We will board to GO train. GO Transit is an intercity train connecting all the major cities of the Greater Golden Horseshoe region of Ontario, Canada. GO train is a diesel-powered double-decker train with its hub in Toronto. This is Port Carrick GO Station, Mississauga. They have paper ticket as well as prepaid card ticket. Each entry point of the station has tapping machine. We need to tap in source station as well as destination station to pay the train fare. Bicycle sticker will be there for specific coaches where public can travel with it. It has one dedicated compartment for physically disabled people. This is a ramp for them. There will be no gap between train entrance gate and station for this compartment. The entry gate will open automatically. Now let's go inside. Each compartment has washroom and sufficient trash box. Free Wi-Fi is also available. This is the emergency brake. Post-COVID, they installed a shield between two adjacent seats for better protection. Let's take a look at the other compartments. This is the priority compartment. Enough space between two seats. Going for Cherry Blossom Walk. You can check my exhibition place Cherry Blossom video in this link. Leaving the train in exhibition GO station,